Second call, Pamela Prince Miko, JKS
Minus
Philippine
47.
City.
Girls Committee, Cadet. Minus 47, Cadet. Girls Committee, last call. Huwaman Chloe, Kabutbot Chanel, Alfante Mary, Mayon Pinti, Capanelia Tifa, Cabuenas Gail, Caridad Princess Gail,
Third and last call,
and
Pamela
Cantao
Prince
Pineda.
Miko, JKS Philippine CV. Please present to Tatami 3.
Please prepare. Jacob Aguilar, Aka. Dale Edilio, out.
Coach of JKS Philippine CV, please assist Pamela Prince Miko, Aka, Tatami 3. Kikin ako ha.